Well, it's Monday for them.
Happy Monday! Happy Sunday, because it's Sunday for me.
We're about to play Exploding Kittens. It's a really fun card game. If you never played it, it's pretty fun. It sounds bad. It sounds like a pretty violent game or whatever. My grandparents were a little worried about it, I think, when we told them about it. But here it is, Exploding Kittens. It's a really fun game. It's just a card game. It's been a really chill Sunday here at the Dumbach household. We had a big lunch after church and then came home and took a nap, honestly. I came home and 5 minutes later I was on the couch taking a nap. Looks like Judah's still asleep.
I could stay awake till the night is through with you by my side, with you by.
That's all fun and games in Exploding Kittens until
Someone gets blown up.
and the deck gets smaller and there's more Exploding Kittens in the pile. Then it starts getting scary. And Mom just started the fun by picking up an Exploding Kitten, but she had a diffuse card, so that's helpful. Diffuse basically neutralizes the effect of the Exploding Kitten. It's been about an hour and we're still playing Exploding Kittens. I'm out. I got out like really quickly. This is, I think, the second round that we played. Second or third round, and we're still going strong.
Look what he had. Look what he had. Look what you laid. That was, oh my gosh. He could have noped that and won the freaking game. Not even remotely. You did a good job.
I've never won Exploding Kittens before.
Let's find a place such as Rita's, maybe, and see if we can find a snack.
Yeah, let's just go
We don't
over
have
to.
Rita's. Oh, we have a
I
such
said
as
a
Rita's.
place such as Rita's.
We
We
have
have spoons and they have frozen yogurt, and Mom said she was craving frozen yogurt. Spoons,
Doesn't Bahama
Spoons, Bahama Bucks.
Well, then let's go to Spoons. The lady in the house says Spoons. Let's go to Spoons.
I think we just got a spontaneous trip to Bahama Bucks or Spoons. Spoons.
Spoons. Take that again. Retake it. You just retake it.
I want to go to Bahama Bucks, but you
No,
know.
retake
Looks
it.
like we just
We
planned a
got a spontaneous-
spontaneous trip.
I've been overruled.
But you have been outvoted.
I have. I've been outvoted indeed. Huh?
Mom outvoted you.
Mom counts for 3 votes.
Mom's the queen bee, and she wants to go there.
The moms get 3 votes each.
Moms get 3 votes.
We'll see you in about 30 minutes.
Am I in frame?
Yes, you are.
Am I like perfectly centered in frame?
No way.
No way. No way.
Going to Spoons. Is that good?
Good.
Alright.
Huh?
Hey.
Hi.
You want people like looking up your nostrils like that? Is that really what you want?
Soda.
Wait, okay, so ask the vlogosphere. Front or...
Yeah. Front or backwards? Because with
I like
backwards
it
you can
'cause
see my.
that.
But I like this more. I don't know. It
Well,
just
because
feels
now
more
you can
like.
see where you got it. But dude, nice shot. Nice shot. Yeah.
Oh yeah, she went to.
Me.
She went to Central Europe.
Yes.
Where you went to? You went to.
Slovakia is where I got that one.
That's not.
Czech Republic, Hungary, Austria.
4 countries
Yeah.
in a matter of 3
So,
weeks?
you know, you
two
don't
two
always
weeks?
Bet everybody in one.
Vlog life.
Sitting on the ground.
Pater et pater. That's Latin. But Siri doesn't know that because she can't translate
And
Latin.
et means and.
Oh yeah, this.
Oh, this lighting.
Sum est. It's just
Golden
one.
hour, boys. I'm gonna pass on the camera because I don't want to do this anymore. Hey there.
News gang, good news gang.
Oh,
good
fart.
News gang.
I don't have my wallet. That's all right. We're close. We're not bad. No, I mean like for
Oh.
driving. Though.
Shows how often I drive with my wallet.
Yeah, I know.
If you haven't listened to Lainey, which if you haven't, I don't know what you're doing.
Are you
Go
looking at a
listen to
hole?
Lainey. Jeremiah, you better keep listening.
You
or even if you
haven't.
have, go listen
You
to
said
him
if you
again.
haven't, which if you haven't.
Heck off.
Like I said earlier, we are going to Spoons. We're taking a spontaneous
Get out of
trip
the middle of the
over
road.
there because my grandpa said we should do it after we were done destroying each other and exploding kittens.
There's a parking spot right there. Get out of the way. Such a good
Parking
parker.
extraordinaire. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you have an amazing rest of your Monday, and we'll see you in the next video.
Boom.